Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Prime Video. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Prime Video and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Prime Video. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your